Hi everyone. Today our topic is aquaculture. What do you mean by aquaculture? The aqua is nothing but the water. Culture means rearing. Here aquaculture. Aquaculture is nothing but that those are the animals living in that aquatic ecosystem. That type of animals we are caring and rearing. That type of culture we call it the aquaculture. It is very simple. Now in that aquaculture it having different types, mostly three types. First one is the extensive aquaculture, then intensive aquaculture, and third one is the semi-intensive aquaculture. These are the three important types of the aquaculture. First, extensive aquaculture means we are culturing the aquatic animal extensively, means we are not naturally the caring and rearing will be occur. That type of aquaculture we call it the extensive aquaculture. Intensive aquaculture is nothing but that we know that intensive aquaculture means we are caring, rearing everything in of that aquatic animal, or we are caring and rearing of that animal from the young one up to the market. We will be caring everything, preservation, then transportation, then marketing, everything will be included in the intensive aquaculture. Likewise, semi-intensive aquaculture is nothing but that. Semi-intensive aquaculture means nothing but that the rearing and caring naturally and also by artificially caring will be take place. That type of the culture, aquaculture, we call it the semi-intensive type of the aquaculture. These are the three types of the aquaculture: extensive, intensive, and semi-intensive type of the aquaculture. Next, we will see one by one what is the importance and what demerits and merits of the aquaculture. Before that, we know about what do you mean by fish. Means in aquaculture, lot of fishes, a lot of animals, those are the aquatic animals we are culturing, we call it the aquaculture. Before that, one very important question: what do you mean by aquaculture and what do you mean by pisciculture? Those are both are the same, but here what happen in aquaculture, the branch is a pisciculture. Aquaculture means those are the aquatic animals we are culturing or we are rearing and caring. That type of animal we call it the aquaculture, or we call it the culture, we call it the aquaculture. In that aquaculture, all type of the animals we are into aquatic animals we are culturing. But in pisciculture, only fishes we are culturing. In aquaculture, we are culture by fishes, we are culture bivalves, we are culture the crabs, we are culture the prawns, we are also culture the different types of the crustaceans in that aquaculture. But in pisciculture, we are only culture the pisces, means fishes. Fishes we are culture in the pisces only. Here, very important point is that what do you mean by fish? Because we are studying the aquaculture, mostly in India, in aquaculture, mostly fishes we will be cultured, or mostly fishes are cultured. For that purpose, very important, or it will be increase the economy of India. For that purpose, fishes we are culturing. Likewise, aquaculture in fishes mostly culture, or it will be having the more importance. It will be applied pisciculture. This fish in the pisciculture, very important part is that fish, because fish is very important. Before that, we are known about that fish. We known what mean by fish. It's very simple. The fish is defined as they having gills, or respiration with the help of gills, propelling and balancing with the help of fins. Mostly these are the aquatic animals, or we call it the aquatic cold-blooded animals. That type of animal we call it the fish. Means fish is defined as it is a aquatic cold-blooded animal. They respire with the help of gills, and they propelling and balancing with the help of fins. That type of animals we call as the fish. It is about the definition of that fish. Again, in the Pisces, most important part, or in the aquaculture, most important part is the water, and the water availability sources are different sources in India, like well, river, rainwater, or sea water, brackish water. These are the different types of the waters are present. We know about the water, different types of the water, mariculture, we call it mariculture, freshwater aquaculture, marine water aquaculture, then brackish aquaculture. These are the types of the aquaculture. Again, it divided on the basis of their water. Means availability of that water. It is also divided this aquaculture into three types. First one is the marine aquaculture. Marine aquaculture is nothing but that it is a sea water. Means we call that the marine or mariculture. Marine aquaculture, or we also call it the mariculture. Another important freshwater aquaculture means here the fresh water is present on land or land water. We call it the freshwater aquaculture is also present. Another important point is the brackish water aquaculture. This brackish water aquaculture means the water mixing of water from the marine water and fresh water. This water will be mixed. This type of the water we call it the brackish water. Means here is also aquaculture will be done. In India also and in foreign also this aquaculture will be done. It is about the types of the aquaculture on the basis of their water. Now in India mostly inland fisheries is also having. Inland fishery mostly depend on that rivers. We know that we having lot of rivers, we having different rivers. Before that we studied the aquaculture, we know about what is meant by river. It is very simple. What do you mean by river? River is nothing but that the water flowing or rainwater, or after rainfall, this water is migrated, or it will be transferred, or it will be moved from high altitude to low altitude. This movement or transportation of this water or movement of that water we call it the river. River is nothing but the water flow of water from high altitude to low altitude. That type of flowing of that water we call it the river. Now small we call it the canal is also move from one place to another place, but all water is gathered into that main channel. That type of channel we call it the river. It is very simple. Now it is our general introductions of the aquaculture, and mostly this aquaculture having a lot of branches. In that branch, main important branches we call it the pisciculture. It is about the general introductions of the aquaculture. Mostly here we conclude this lecture. What do you mean by aquaculture? Types of the aquaculture on the basis of their caring and rearing. It divided into three types: extensive aquaculture, intensive aquaculture, and semi-intensive aquaculture. On the basis of water, it is also divided this aquaculture into three types. First one is the mariculture, then freshwater aquaculture, and then brackish water aquaculture. These are the types of the aquaculture on the basis of their waters. And we know that what do you mean by fish, what do you mean by river, because if suppose we are studying the aquaculture, we know the aqua and culture, or aquatic animals and culture, or rearing and caring of that animals in that aquatic ecosystem. That type of the culture we call the aquaculture. Next lecture we will see on the detail how the aquaculture will be done. It is the applied branch, therefore very important in BSc third year. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.